You ever find yourself completely exhausted at the end of a massive day, but the second your head hits the pillow, your brain is wide awake? Most of us blame our busy minds, but the real culprit might actually be floating right in front of your eyes. It's the light. So look, you have this bright light here, like that. And even those things from the TV, the bulbs overhead, to our brains, that blue light looks like the midday sun screaming at our bodies to stay alert and productive. But what if you could create a visual bridge that signals your body it's safe to start winding down? This is where the red light evening reset comes in. You don't have to have a mask like this. You could even have like a light bulb as well. And then it's very, you're chilling, and this is good for my skin. I do it once every 2 weeks. Here's the science though behind it. Light travels in wavelengths. Blue light has a very short, high energy wavelength that instantly shuts down our production of melatonin, the hormone that tells us it's time to sleep. Pure red light is the exact opposite. It has a long wavelength. Because of this, it doesn't disrupt your circadian rhythm, your internal 24-hour clock, or mess with your sleep architecture, which is just a fancy way of saying the natural stages of deep sleep, restorative sleep. Your body needs to wake up feeling refreshed, pretty much. In fact, research published in the Journal of Athletic Training showed that red light therapy significantly improves sleep quality and subsequent endurance, performance, because it helped naturally boost melatonin levels. It gives you just enough illumination to safely move around, read a book without sending that harsh wake-up signal to your brain that you've got to get up. And these lights and things that we have when we're at work too, they're not good for you, the blue light, too much. Let's look at the routine. And you can see me smiling. This is like, I'm in my bedroom now, right now, doing this, and it's actually relaxing me. So how do we actually pull off a red light evening reset? It's incredibly simple, and you don't need a fancy lab setup to do it. Step 1, swap out the bulb in your bedside lamp for a pure red LED bulb. You can easily find one of these online or at a local hardware store like Bunnings. Alternatively, if you have a small red light therapy panel, turn that on instead. Or you could wear this mask, or you could just put this on at night. You don't have to wear it. Dedicate just 15 to 20 minutes before bed to this red glow. Turn off the TV, put the phone in another room, and step into this cozy, warm environment. During these 20 minutes, choose a low stimulation activity. You could do just some gentle restorative stretching on the floor, spend a few minutes foam rolling out the tension from the day, or simply sit up in bed reading a physical paper book. All of these things count, guys, for relaxation. It's fabulous. And before I go, let's, all relax together. Just chill. What you're doing here is like you're creating a sensory boundary. You are actively, fixing your nervous system. The day is done. We are safe. We are winding down, and it's time to rest. If you've been struggling with tossing and turning, give this a go for a week and swap the bulbs, dim the house, and let that long red wavelength work its magic. Your body knows exactly what to do when we stop fighting nature. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll put all the research in the descriptions as well. And sleep well and take care of yourself and your gut, and I'll see you in the next video.